This is the November OK Beauty box. This edit is called Party Pieces. Let's check it on out. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing absolutely fabulous today or night. Today's video I have this. This is the November OK Beauty box. Let's bust her open. Right, so I've just noticed it's actually open. I hope all the products are still in here, but the good thing about this box is it has the extra flap on the inside, so I suppose that's gives some peace of mind, but we'll soon find out. Right, so on here it just says this box has been lovely created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you will discover a minimum of 5 products worth at least £80. So I see they have changed this now because it now correlates with what it says on the website. That's great. So this is £15 per month. I do have a code that I found on the website. I'll pop it down below in the information box. I don't know if it still works. Check it out. You'll get your first box for £4.95, I think. But don't quote me on that. I say I don't even know if it works. But here is a sneak peek for you. So we have some vouchers for the OK magazines if that's something that you're interested in. We have edit card which has information on all the products in here, which is fab. There is a quick sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Quickly onto the edit card a moment. Just here it says the name of the edit is Party Pieces. This box has a value apparently of over £160. If you have not already, actually I forgot to do it before, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. First item we have in the box is this, and it is by the brand Kiss, and it is Lash Couture Naked Drama. One of these different styles. So okay, there's one of 3 styles that you could possibly get. Tulle, chiffon or organza. These have a value of £8 and I got the chiffon one. Let's have a look. For the ultimate glam look, finish off your makeup with a set of false lashes. These are easy to apply and comfortable to wear and blend seamlessly with your natural lashes. Okay, cool. They are beautiful lashes. Look at them. For me, I don't normally wear lashes, or I haven't done in a long time. I actually want to try the lashes that go under the lash by Kiss. I just haven't got around to buying them yet. Them are a bit outrageous for me. But there's a closer look of them. You're going to put these on and you're going to take off. But no, I'll probably put them in a future giveaway. As I say, I wish I could get away with something like that, but my eyes can't hack something like that. That's way too big, too long and full for me. Second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand, is it Nire or Nire? Nire? I think it's Nire, or that's what I'm going to call it in anyway. And this is a makeup brush. It's 113 the multitasker and has a value of £18. It just says this super soft 2-in-1 makeup brush can be used for applying concealer, eyeshadow, powder, or your new illamasqua lipstick. Chic looking makeup bag essential. Okay. We're getting quite a lot of makeup brushes in beauty boxes at the moment, aren't we? I mean, this is very pretty. Very pretty. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is like a lilac colour with gold. Is that gold or is it silver? I can't tell in this light. I think it's gold. Oh my god, that actually feels really nice. Oh yeah. And then we have this bit. Oh, that is nice. Oh wow. I do love getting makeup brushes, but we seem to be getting a lot of eye brushes, mainly blender brushes and so on. Yes, this is a multitasker brush, but obviously you can use this on the eyes as well. But yeah, very handy to get, very pretty. Third item we have is this. So this is by the brand dreveryouth, and it's vitamin C and hyaluronic acid night moisturizer. Ooh, wow, this is a full-size product and it's worth £69.99. This brand is super expensive, but what I've used so far from this brand has been awesome. I don't know if I've received this before, this particular product, the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I can't remember. And it just says, once the party's over, always take off your makeup before bed. No excuses. Then help your skin to recover while you sleep with this hard working face cream. The brightening formula will help to erase any signs of a late night. Well, I need this by the bucketful because late nights, yeah. My sleep is atrocious at the moment. Absolutely atrocious. That and with doing night shifts as well. Yeah. But yeah, let's have a little play with this actually, why not? So there it is there. It feels really nice actually. I thought it was going to be thicker the way that it peaked there. But it does feel absolutely gorgeous. And look at that glow as well after you've popped it on. Smells, it does smell of the typical vitamin C smell. It's a cross between an orange and a lemon-ish. I'm rubbish at describing things. But yeah, I am sure to enjoy this. Yeah, great brand. Fourth item we have is this, loving the packaging. This is by the brand Figs in Rouge, and this is a blurring primer and finishing fix. This is a full-size product and has a value of £38. It just says the secret to foundation lasting all night is a good primer, and that's what you'll get here. This lightweight formula mattifies the skin, giving a blurred effect, and helps makeup to grip better. Okay, oh, I nearly dropped that there. I mean, I don't normally use primers, if I'm honest. Every now and then I do. And there's been one or two primers what I've tried and I fell in love with and I have to use until the whole bottle's empty. I think, have we received this before? Quite recently in a different beauty box. What I've tried from this brand has been nice. It would be nice to see other products by this brand. That would be amazing. Fifth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Illamasqua and it's a mini ultra matte lipstick in Bay. So like I said, this is a mini and it's worth £12. It just says this is a pocket-sized lipstick in a modern matte finish that will stay put from dusk till dawn. Bay is a flattering dusky rose shade which will pair perfectly with any makeup look. Okay, let's give it a little in fact, I haven't got anything on my lips at the moment. Let's put some on. So that is how much product you get in there. So quite a decent amount for a mini. That is the shade on my skin. Oh, I really like that. Very nice. Let's put it on. It feels nice and buttery. So I've only put it on the top lip and it's nearly my skin colour. It's just slightly better than my skin colour. Ooh, a nice nude. And there we go. That is a closer look. Oh, I really like this. In this box we actually get a sixth product and it is this. So this is by the brand Murad and it is a retinol youth renewal eye mask. You get one pair in here and this has an RRP of £9. It just says these are ideal for depuffing under the eyes before or after a big night, but they go even further. They're soaked in serum that contains gentle form of retinol to reduce the look of fine lines. Again, I need a bucket full of these. I have so many fine lines under my eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm sorry, I just realised I flipped you off. Sorry. Let's point with this finger instead. Yeah, so many fine lines. So yeah, we'll have to see how good this is. I love eye masks. This is the November OK Beauty box. This edit is called Party Pieces. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a fabulous little box. I'm absolutely flabbergasted. It's worth £160. Well, technically I went and added up, it's £155, so they overestimated just a wee bit. But yeah, I mean, yes, the eyelashes aren't for me. I'm not particularly an eyelash girl, especially they are bold lashes and I'm not a bold person. That lipstick is beautiful. I love it, absolutely love it. The makeup brush is so soft, you can feel the quality in it. And yeah, the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid by Dr. Eve Reyouth, amazing, absolutely amazing. The primer by Figs and Rouge, yes, it's nice. Again, I would love to see a different product by that brand. That would be so cool. And who doesn't love Murad? That is also a great brand. Yeah, I absolutely love this box. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.